My brother and I gave Ghost a lift, guys. So this is what happened, ne? So that day I was in Pretoria, though I'm from Limpopo originally. So I was with my brother in Pretoria buying yarn for this bag that I'm selling. So late at night we decided that okay, it's fine, it's time to come home, Limpopo. So while we were driving, my brother was like, no, my sister, I'm tired. I'm so tired. Let's go to Marble Hall and rest there. My sister lives at Marble Hall. So we were using this road. It's called Moloto Road. So while we were driving, we come across this 5 people. They were wearing all white and they were walking in a line, straight line. They were all hiking at the same place. So after a few minutes, there's a lady at the back of the car holding a baby. From there, my brother starts praying. While we were praying, the lady disappears, but she leaves her baby in the car. At that point, I didn't know what to do. There's a baby crying in the car. My brother is praying. I'm also crying. I didn't know what to do. It was a mess, guys. It was a mess. But after that, the baby disappeared as well. And we were quiet the whole ride.